up, guys? This is Drones Travels with a funny, I don't know if it's funny or what, an update to my channel. As you can see behind me, the motorhome is sitting here. I'm getting it ready to go on our big trip here, which is going to happen fairly soon here, the 13th of August. But I've been kind of AWOL from a lot of people's live streams and stuff like that. Don't take it that I don't like you no more. I don't want to be around your channel or anything like that. It's just called I got to get things going here. So the Drone Road Show will be leaving August the 13th. Roughly 1,500 to 1,800 miles will be going on this trip with the motorhome. I've already noticed a few things driving it. I've actually ran like 3 tanks of fuel through it. Anywhere from 9 to 10 miles a gallon it gets. So it drives great. It really does. It's not the fastest thing in the world. It's no sports car, but you know what? We're all retired. I'm retired now, and we're just going to have some fun with it. So some of the updates, if you notice over my head, I put a new awning on it. And the interior work, we got some cushions we got to get taken care of on it, but everything else is done on the inside. It's ready to go. Behind it is sitting my trailer, which I modified it. That ain't necessarily going to go with us this trip, but this I can haul kayaks too, because I went out and bought 2 new kayaks for me and my wife. But yeah, so this is just a quick update on the motorhome. Is running great. Not a lick of trouble with it. It handles like a motorhome. So you know, it's you're getting excited here to go. It's a little over 3 weeks, then we'll be taking off. So, but it'll be a busy 3 weeks for me. I like to do special shout outs for the following channels that I think are awesome while I'm here. Songs for Anna. I'm a member of her channel. She's an awesome person. Blessed Life. She does a lot to help the community here, help people get watch hours and help them get some new subscribers. I appreciate her. Sunny Stormy, who's one of my members to my channel. She's an awesome person, very supportive, been with me a long time, and I appreciate her. Appreciate everything she's done for me. I know I'm going to screw up her channel name, Ann Are We Nursery. Ann, she's a good person. She's been with me a long time as well. Christopher C., who's a member of my channel. I appreciate Christopher C. as well. And I appreciate everybody, but these are the people that I pop in every now and then. I've had Super Dave pop in. I've had Cliff pop in. You'll know who I am if I say Cliff, and stuff like that. But I just want to give these people some recognition for all their hard work with helping me as well as helping anybody else in the community. Their other channel, there's Marty that comes in here. There's Annabelle Batista that pops in when I do lives and stuff like that. So I appreciate one and all for taking the time to come in and support my channel, and I do support each of these channels back. You may not see me in your live streams, but I am watching and giving you a thumbs up. I may not be able to comment every time, but I do make sure I hang around for a little bit to give you your support you need and your thumbs up. But that's just mainly a update on the motorhome. Like I said, runs fine, steers fine, goes down the road awesome. Right now it's plugged in. Right now I'm getting ready to do some more work on it on the inside, just getting it ready. We gotta get it packed up and finalize how we're going to put stuff in it and stuff like that. But this is just a quick update, and I appreciate everybody coming in. If you're new to my channel, if you can, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future update. And the adventures is getting started here fairly quick. So I have another video that's in the computer that I got to get uploaded. I'm going to probably cut it down a little bit. It's an hour and 17 minutes. I'm going to cut it down to about 15 minutes somehow here, without losing too much of the fun out of it. So look for that as well. Thank you guys. I appreciate one and all of you for taking time to listen to this update. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.